right, folks. This video been ready to get this out for a couple days, but we had the memorial for my buddy Brian, who passed away. We had a good, kind of Christian memorial for him, and then we all got together and we sent him off on our own way afterwards, and we all had a little get together, and haven't been feeling like getting on the camera recently, but so far we're going to get this done now, and I'm going to get this video out to you. So here you go, folks. All right, folk. Well, March 17th, it's St. Patty's Day, the day of the wearing of the green. And what do we have over here? We have a visit from the wee black leprechaun. The Black Irish are here.
Yes, we are.
There we go. It's St. Patty's Day now, baby. Party time. Let's get her done.
Southside of Donegal.
So, all right, folk. You know St. Patty's Day? Gotta get a Shamrock Shake from McDonald's. Good stuff. Oh, yeah. Well, folk. Police flashing lights yet again. I don't know what is going on Liberty Street out here today, but it is kind of crazy out here. Police have been very busy on the street. So, me and Butch are just minding our business. Well, all right, folk. So, awesome day out. It started off a bit chilly. Most of the days are starting off a bit chilly. It still gets a bit chilly at night. Not bad at all. We're talking like low 30s, maybe mid 30s, and so still it's not that bad. But usually when it's windy, it makes it a lot worse, and the wind finally died down. But pretty awesome day so far. So check this out. We're gonna do some boondock cooking. So we are starting off with some chili in the pot, canned chili, and we're going to be making a dip.
What's up, Charlie?
Hey, what's up, brother? And all right, folks, so we made up some beef. I'm going to be throwing some beef. You never get enough beef in them canned chilies, so we're going to throw extra beef in there. And now we're going to throw some diced tomatoes and green chilies. And now we're going to slap almost half a block of cheddar cheese in it. And alrighty, folks, so everything in there, so we're going to fire up and get this thing going. All right, folks, so we got her to a boil. We're getting a lot of this cheese to melt down nice. Let this go for a bit, let everything get nice and melted, and we're going to get some tortilla chips to dip in it. All right. Well, all righty, folk. So we got everything all mixed up nicey nice. All the cheese is melted real good. We got extra hamburger in there. We got the chili. We got the Rotel style type stuff. It's green chili and tomato. So let's see how this bad boy came out. Oh, and a tortilla chip. Yep. That's gonna do it. Good stuff. So I got a bag of tortilla chips. I've had this for a couple days. I think I showed you guys. And I've had all the other stuff, and I'm just waiting to do it. Today's the day I'm doing it. So get it done. We're going to chow down a little bit. Be right back with you. Now, one thing I must say, and I got a nice batch left in the pot over here. Two things. I didn't add any like hot sauce or anything like that. I do want to put a little bit in there. Just a little bit. Another thing I didn't put in, and I wish I had that. I've learned that from my ex when she makes her wild buffalo wing dip sauce. Oh man, you get the tortillas and dip it. It's excellent. But cream cheese, a thing of cream cheese. That would have gone excellent with this. It would have been way creamier and everything. It's a little runny because you don't have the cream cheese or anything, but it's dang good, man. It came out pretty good. But the next time I got to remember that the cream cheese to put in it, and on the next little bit I'm going to add a little bit of hot sauce. But so far, freaking awesome. I'm enjoying it. Later, folks. Well, right, folks. Second day of spring and winter is attempting to make a comeback. Check out Butchie. Butchie's got his sweater on. Look at the sweater. He's got his sweater on. It's so dang cold out. The wind is blowing like crazy. We got like 40-mile-an-hour gusts going on. So that's not helping it. It's actually going to be like 50 degrees today, which isn't horrible, but that wind makes it feel really bad. So we're just hanging inside the Vanitarium today. And I have an awesome surprise coming up shortly. Can't wait to show the channel and everything. I want to just spill the beans. I want to spit it out right now, but I'm not gonna. It's gonna be a pretty cool surprise, I think. And I can't wait for that to happen. That should be happening in about a week or two. And also, nothing going on but going to the storage and finishing off the storage probably tomorrow or Sunday. It's probably going to be tomorrow. And then that is going to be totally done. I got one more load and we are done with that. So I'm going to be pretty psyched about that. But anyway, surprise coming. I can't wait for it. We're just hanging out, chilling, because it's freaking cold with this dang wind. So that's going to be about it for this one. So don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.